We are Philip and Tasha, and together with our 3 adventurous cats, Mocha, Nix and Yati, our fearless feline crew, we left the land behind to chase the horizon, living life 1 nautical mile at a time. So whether you're here for amateur BS sailing tips, epic ocean views, or just watching the cats stealing the show, you're at the right place. Welcome to our journey aboard Snow. We are in Pangkor Marina, enjoying it very much.
But no hair. Yes, project. Very funny.
Mr. Zaman, that will work on our engines.
They're very, very helpful and kind.
Very
And they're not so kind.
nice.
We were waiting for James to finish his meeting. James is the owner of the marina. Meanwhile, we were drinking tea with Adam. Philip discusses with him all the parts that he needs to order. And we are accompanied by Bill and Carl. Afternoon nap. I was just telling them that I enjoyed my afternoon nap. Philip in conversation with Marcus, who polished the boat, and now they need to turn the boat around. We could not use the engines because they were working on the engines, so they need to turn the boat around by hand. That evening we went to the restaurant, and what a beautiful sunset.
Oh, I have no idea. I'm not measured, but I see already.
Philip chatting to Away is the owner of the rigging company. Philip and he discussed to take the mast off when we come back. James Koo, the owner of the Pangkor Marina, arranged for a barbecue for all the yatties. Bill from Sandpebble decided to go and show us the other boatyard where they work on his boat. There's not a lot that I can say about this. We had Starbucks after the boatyard.
Let's go!
What happened is that
James took us and Sandpebble out for a lovely dinner. Thanks, James. This is such an interesting concept. Those buildings were blocked and little holes drilled into them for the birds to go in and build their nests to be exported as bird's nest soup. They say it's a better business than owning a hotel. One tired cat. Philip and Bill used to fly. And as soon it was time to leave Pangkor Marina, Philip just prepared the lines to be slip lines to make it easy for me to take it off the cleats.
Never needed wings to feel the sky.
On our way to Penang, straight ski marina.
Didn't take the praise, that wasn't the game.
A lot of fishing boats all around us.
Poolside tales with waka waka feet. Laughing loud, just finding our feet.
Yati decided to have a little bit of cuddle time with Philip.
He'd break them through. Never gave a map, just lit a light. And somehow it always pointed to the way. You're the quiet in the storm, a steady hand, the afterburner lighting up.
And then later on, bigger fishing boats.
Snow under sail, entering new horizons. Uncomfortable compliment, words to hold. But you've carried more than you've ever told. A brother, a compass.
Yati at the helm station with Philip.
You're the silver lining man.
These guys come to say hello and also to help us through the maze of fishing flags.
The truth in quiet ways. The dragon behind the grin. But he's the lift that pulls you in. From desert heat to ocean shade. Left a trail that doesn't fade.
After they help us through the fishing flag maze, they were very friendly and waved us goodbye. while we're sitting here and doing nothing,
We're
tell me-
breathing
we're breathing. Yeah.
and we're thinking.
Oh, well, okay, yeah, that's very important. Tell me all the stuff that you did on the boat in Pangkor.
We did a few things. We got a lot of the technicians, what do they call them, consultants, different consultants at the marina to help us with some of the tasks. Difficult where I fit in to get someone that fits in much easier to the engine bay. Okay, so we had one guy fixing the wiring, start wiring on the starboard engine.
Yeah.
And we had another old gentleman, Zaman, to come and take out the injectors.
He was actually quite good, huh?
He's very, very good.
Well, actually all of them.
They removed all the injectors, they sent them to an engineering works, they rebuilt the injectors, changed the nozzles, so they are as good as brand spanking new.
Okay.
Cleaned them thoroughly, and brand new injection nozzles. And before he reinstalled them, he set the valves on all the cylinders. So the engines are running like Swiss watch.
Machine. Okay.
Very, very good.
Oh,
nice
right.
and smooth and perfect. Okay, so that's all been fixed. I spoke to the rigger. He helped me reinsert the grub screw on the furling, and that seems to be coming out.
Okay, just a
The
moment.
furler,
So the furler
the Genoa
is
furler.
the Genoa bay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was wrong with it?
The grub screw kept coming out, so
Okay.
they took it out, cleaned the hole nicely, put new Loctite in, and reinserted it. He has a guy just built for that.
Okay,
He calls him
perfect.
his little monkey,
So-
which turned out to be the exact same guy that did the electrical work on
okay.
on the engine as well. And what else did we have to do? Okay, so I discussed the rigging replacement with Away when we go back to Pangkor, so he knows exactly what the rigging looks like. You can order all the spares, got all of that done.
That will be around August.
August, September, yeah. And I spoke to the people about the anti-fouling. That also needs to be done. The simple anti-fouling is just rubbish.
Okay.
So, we're considering different paint. That would be lasting a lot better than the Hempel.
Okay, and then the starter.
The starter is fixed.
Oh yeah, that's fixed.
Yeah. What else was there? We had guys polishing the boat.
Oh yeah, they
It
did a
hasn't been
brilliant job.
polished in several months.
Yeah,
So the guys did a fantastic job.
Yeah.
And bought some cleaning products from the guy to make sure it
Yeah.
stays in a pristine condition.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, just a few of the things we sorted out.
Yeah. What impressed me the most is the guys will tell you they will be there at a certain time and a certain date, and perfect.
Yep.
On time. And very professional.
Very
professional. And even the staff in the office,
super
Rose
good.
and Adam and
helpful,
all
very
those guys
professional.
are very, very nice.
Yeah, very
We can just
impressive.
say thank you to
James
for
yeah.
everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was really
No,
very
he's
special.
running a good ship there.
Yeah.
That's
So-
why we're going back.
Yeah. So
Oh, wow.
you will suggest to other people if they want to do work on the boat, that's a
That's the
perfect place to
be.
go.
Yeah, they got all the
Yeah.
technicians, they got all the
They're so
consultants.
professional,
Very good.
very professional. Yeah, that was very nice.
Yeah.
So we're entering into sundown, and someone is pinging you on your phone. And so who's on duty tonight?
We actually both on duty tonight because it's just a one night, and then tomorrow morning we should be in Penang.
Yeah.
So decided to keep you on duty with me throughout the night. You've never done a proper night duty,
No, never. Yeah.
so just to see what it's like.
I think about 12:01 I will go to bed, and
Oh.
that's
That's your story.
yeah. Now I'm actually looking forward to the night shift
Yeah.
also.
It
Yeah.
should be good. I think there might be a little bit of moon,
Yeah.
and but it's also overcast. Might even rain later, but
Yeah,
we'll see.
maybe. And
Exciting.
then at this stage we will arrive in Penang. Well,
6
next
o'clock.
to the island at 6 o'clock, and it will take about an hour or hour and a half
Around the top,
around the top to enter into
Stretch Key Marina.
Stretch Key Marina. Yeah, well, that's it. Well, if you listen to the list that is still up and coming in August, we are going to be very busy in August.
Depths of silence where echoes remain. You were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you gone.
What an amazing sunset.
Why did you cut me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry?
We are so impressed with the radar because it's nice and clear, and you can see the other white dots on the radar is just noise of the waves. You can see the 2 white dots are boats, and I will show them on the map as well.
Remember that flickered, that faded away. You were the summer, I was that same old.
A thunderstorm is building up. Yati decided to do night shift with us. Then all of a sudden we could feel a vibration in the boat, and Philip had a look, and there was a rope around the propeller. Luckily he did not need to jump into the water to take it off, he could just hook it off the propeller. Oh well, I survived the night shift. It was not bad at all. There was enough moonlight, nice calm seas, and I made it to the morning. A little bit of rain to our starboard side, but no influence on us. Nix is normally the one that catches fish from the bottom step of the sugar scoop, but never while sailing, so we don't know if the fish jump onto the boat, but Yati is the one enjoying the fish. We sail past lots and lots of jellyfish.
You say goodbye.
Buildings of Penang. A small little dolphin close to the entrance of the marina. Stretch Key Marina. If you've never been to the marina, do yourself a favor and go there. It is really beautiful, friendly people. We were just waiting for the dockhands to arrive to help us into our berth. On our way to check in at the marina office. Jellyfish inside the marina. How was the clearing in process?
Clearing in was fantastic. Not clear.
The clearing in, that was so nice.
Not even mentioned.
What great coffee shop is this?
Fantastic.
Huh? What coffee shop is this?
A little bit too British, but
It is a
other than that,
British
not
coffee
crappy.
shop. We love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is so nice. Everything is great. I just miss 3 people: Leon, Linda, and Fawn.
And what about the poor dog?
Okay, and Mila. Well, we enjoyed the time in this little British corner.
Tell me about this place.
Oh, I'm in the UK. I'm sipping a nice hot coffee, not tea, in this beautiful, nice British restaurant. And we're going to have a really nice breakfast. And there's even a high noon tea tray with sandwiches, cucumber, and scones, and everything. How's that?
And that's nice.
Oh, I'm in heaven. We're going to stay here forever. Well, I have to tell you, this South African absolutely loves the UK. Die Engelse winkelhuis. Nice and cool. You walk from your boat up the ramp into this beautiful mall. This is the main entrance into the mall. This is our berth at Straits Quay Marina. We cannot complain about anything. Beautiful, with all the restaurants all around the marina. We went the next day for a little bit of sightseeing, and we went to Georgetown. It's an old colonial style area, and we also visited the Upside Down Museum for a little fun day. Everywhere in Georgetown you will find paintings on the walls. Back at the marina they had this display and this photo especially for Leon, and then we bumped into Cecily. What a great surprise! We had dinner at the Indian restaurant and just walk around the mall later on.
Do I look British?
Yeah. And then of course we had to pop into my favorite restaurant for some tea and scones. Bill from Sandpebble told us about this restaurant and we decided to go and have a look. It was really very nice.
That's good.
On our way back to the marina. We left Penang at 7 o'clock in the morning to Langkawi. We will definitely go back to Penang. We loved every moment there. Beautiful, beautiful place. We want to thank Aziz and his crew who made it special for us. Nice, friendly fishermen. There's a channel just outside of Penang. You can keep between the red and the green buoys. We came across these interesting fads, fishing devices, and this guy is actually going to inspect his fishing trap. They were very friendly, and Philip and they had a conversation on how big the fish were that they caught. We enter into Langkawi at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It was a quiet, non-eventful sail. Lovely day.
Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't want.
And then we noticed this lovely boat. It is Motor Yacht Alpha. I think this person also still have Sailing Yacht Alpha. Very nice.
Oh, quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go.
We met up with Sasli and Bill. They're going to stay with us on the boat during the boat show.
It's what we see, it's what we choose to be. High grass and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat.
It's always wonderful to have a good time with your friends.
Next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
The opening ceremony of the boat show.
Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell what goodbye.
We were so surprised to see Jeff and Christine in Langkawi, and we had a dinner with them.
It's what we choose to be. We're beyond good.
Breakfast on the boat before we all off to the boat show.
Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know.
We could not find Nix for 2 days, and then we found out she was hiding in this boat. Luckily the staff had the key of the boat and we could get her out of the boat. So naughty.
It's what we choose to be. Fire breath.
On our way to the air show, and this friendly gentleman gave us a ride to the air show. That was so nice. Philip could not wait to get to the aircraft display and show.
Where did my wings go? I could have sworn I could fly straight up into the sky. Boy, I should have known it was all just a lie. No one on earth can fly. Thought the things you said would turn out true. Guess that's what I get for trusting you. You said if I believed enough, I would fly. Why didn't I? Did faith let me down? Or did I not have enough? That distinction is tough. I'll fly. Air is rushing past and I can barely see. Seems like this fall will be the death of me. In a second now, the ground will come to take me home. Suddenly a peace that I cannot explain. Feels like the wind is running through my veins. Oh, and all that I can do is close my eyes as you lift me up. You lift me all that I know now is sky and cloud. Don't know when my feet last touched the ground. You said if I believe enough, I'll fly.
I think the smile on Philip's face said enough about the air show. We loved every moment of that. Will took us the next day to Ribak Island to show us Ribak Marina. We jumped into this small little ferry to go to the island. The rest of the day we're spending walk around the boat show and had a coffee with our friends. Sasli invited us for a traditional Malay breakfast.
You have the breakfast here and then get busy.
We were waiting for Sheila, our agent, to help us check out of Langkawi. Philippus, what are we doing here?
We are getting the hell out of Dodge now. Checking out in Langkawi,
Okay.
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yep.
Looking forward to Thailand. It was actually nice here in Langkawi.
Nice boat show, nice air show.
Lovely air show.
Amazing air show. Gorgeous. Perfect air show. For the SU-30. What's your experience of Langkawi?
Love it. Very nice, very hot. But love it.
Good.
That's nice. Nice people. Air show was amazing. Hotel was excellent.
Good to see Sasli and
So nice to see Sasli.
James Koo and the guys
Yes.
and families. Yeah, nice.
And from KK?
Alvin
Alvin.
Tay, Shirley.
Yeah, nice to see all of them.
Great. checked out today. We're leaving tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we check out. Yeah, but leaving tomorrow. Oh,
No,
clever. Love that boat there at the back.
The poor people are here too.
We end our time in Langkawi with a lovely dinner.
I've been eating so much. I need a break.
Down by the coast, down by the sea, on a blanket with my baby, under the boardwalk, on the boardwalk, on the boardwalk.
We stayed 9 days in Langkawi and we left 7:20 in the morning to reach our first anchorage at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
To the marina staff in Langkawi, our heartfelt gratitude for a lovely time there. We enjoyed ourselves thoroughly, and also a gratitude for their assistance in helping us keeping track of the downed cats. And we wish them all the best taking care of their bundle of cats back home. Thank you so much for a lovely time from Snow.
The cats settling in for the trip.
That's how you're doing duty.
Yeah, duty. It's so much stress. It's amazing.
We had a wonderful calm sailing day, as you can see on the water. We're reaching our first anchorage.
Walk a cold thin line in the morning.
We were happy with our anchorage. It was quiet throughout the night. Thank you for spending time with us. See you in the next video.
Greet you with the day. I can't go with you now. I can only watch you now. Watch you as you sail away.